Let us begin with just 1 minute yoga. Everyone's back straight. We will meditate for 1 minute and then we will begin. Eyes closed and just concentrate on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly open your eyes, rub your palm, place it on your eyes, rub it on your face, neck, shoulder, and back on your eyes. Now, you know that now you all have reached third standard and we are learning so many new things every day in all the subjects, especially in the language. You know, when we were very small, when mama used to send you to school, it was so difficult not to learn the small alphabets and then the small then started writing the words, then the sentences. But you know what we all remember even till today, even I remember. Yes, what we remember from our childhood days are our nursery rhymes. And I'm sure all of us have got one nursery rhyme or the other which is our favorite. You know what is my favorite nursery rhyme? You would like to listen? Yes. My favorite nursery rhyme is Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. And you know what I used to like the most in this poem? The words. That words now which are ending with the same sound, like Jill, hill. Then Jack and Jill went up the hill. One more word I found. Jill, hill. Okay. Next. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Down, crown. And Jill came tumbling after. So such words like Jill, hill, after, all these words are known as rhyming words. They are known as rhyming words. You know what the rhyming words are? Rhyming words are the words that do not begin with the same sound. It's not necessary they begin with the same sound. But yes, their ending sound is the same. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the rhyming words in a new way. You know what Mama used to do when I was very small? When I was small, Mama used to give me a box, and she used to tell me this is the box of rhyming words. You have to find out the rhyming words from that. And then I had to struggle and take out one word, and we used to play a game. And when two words used to sound the same, she used to put a lot of things in those boxes. Then she used to tell me, yes, you're right. This is a rhyming word. So why not play that same game here also with you children? So you can also try this at home with your mom. Now even I have got a box which is full of rhyming words. Now we will remove one word and just see that which word is rhyming and which is not. The first thing that I have found is everyone's favorite toffee. What else is there in the box? Oh yes, I found a coffee. Toffee, coffee. Don't they sound alike? So let us sing a rhyme for it. Okay. Toffee, coffee, these words rhyme. Toffee, coffee, these words rhyme. Toffee, coffee, these words rhyme. Rhyme along with me. So I've got one set of rhyming words. Mama, I got 1 point. Now, what else is there in the box? Yes, I found a ball in the box. And I found a dice. Ball, dice. Do they sound the same? No. So there must be something nearby which has to match with this. Oh, yes, I found a doll. Ball, tall. Ball, tall. Ball, doll. These words rhyme. Ball, doll. These words rhyme. Ball, doll. These words rhyme. Rhyme along with me. See, isn't it fun? Now, let me search what else is there. I had found dice. So there has to be something which is rhyming with this word dice. What I have? Oh my God, I have got here two mice. Can you see these mice? Okay, so I have got a rhyming word for dice as well. Dice, mice, these words rhyme. Dice, mice, these words rhyme. Dice, mice, these words rhyme. Rhyme along with me. And one more thing is there. Oh yes, I found a cute bear. Isn't it cute bear? Mama keeps so many things in the boxes. Uh, and what is the? Yeah, I found a pear. Bear, pear, bear, pear. So let us sing a rhyme for this also. Bear, pear. These words rhyme. Bear, pear. These words rhyme. Bear, pear. These words rhyme. Rhyme along with me. Now there is one last. How come only one object is there? How will you find a rhyming word for this? This is a. Did you identify what this is? This is a bug. This is a bug. I can't find anything that is rhyming this word bug. So what to do? It is alone. So I will give it a hug. What will I do? I will give it a hug. Bug, hug. Rhyming, isn't it? So we have got to rhyme for this also. Bug, hug. These words rhyme. Bug, hug. These words rhyme. Bug, hug. These words rhyme. Let us give it a hug. So this is such an interesting game which Mama used to play when I was small. And while doing her work in the kitchen also, she always used to tell me, wherever she used to work, she used to tell me we can find rhymes everywhere. Like once Mama was baking a cake for me. Now Mama asked me, how do we cook a cake? I said, Mama, you bake a cake. And there I found one set of rhyming words, bake and cake. Bake and cake. So you can have this fun with your mom as well. You can always find out rhyming words from the things which are around you. One day when Mama gave me some puris in the tiffin, I told Ma, this has got so much of oil. It is going to spoil my bag. What answer Mama gave me? She told me, we will wrap it in a foil and then it will not dirty your books. And here we got one more set of rhyming words. Oil, foil. Oil, foil. So see, these rhyming words are such pleasant to hear. But if you want to understand actually what rhyming words are, the rhyming words have to have the same ending sound. It is not necessary that they have the same middle words or they begin with the same words, but the ending sound is always the same. And there are so many ways, so many methods in which we can learn the rhyming words because there are so many things around us which are always rhyming, right? Now, I have got now, when we were very small, teacher used to teach us phonics. You know what are the sounds? Which are the vowels? Everyone remembers, correct? A, E, I, O, U. Now, with the help of these vowels, we used to learn phonic words. For example, A says A, E says E, I says E, O says O, and U says A. So when we mix the alphabets, the consonants with these vowels, we get phonic words. Now with the help of these phonic words, we used to make so many rhyming words when we were small, when you all were small. For example, no, an. So if I add C in that, it becomes k, an, a can, p, an, a pan, r, an, a ran. Right? We are going to revise such rhyming words today also. A few of them because you all are grown-ups now. So just let me see how many of you can read and find the rhyming words. Now I've got a nice fish which is going to sail in this water and make rhyming words for you. Right? Now the alphabet I have, the word sound I have chosen is actor. Act. Right? Now, if we keep adding alphabets to it, we can form new words like for atter, fat. Next, her atter, hat. Next, mo atter, mat. Correct? The next, fl, F-L, fl atter, flat. So atter, sat. For atter, pat. Pat on your back. When you do something good, you get a pat on your back, no? Then, atter, brat. Atter, rat. Okay, so these are the actor words. Now let us see the words which are having a w or sound. Okay, CAW, caw, SAW, sorry, LAW, law, SAW, saw, PAW, paw, CLAW, claw, JAW, jaw, RAW, raw, FLAW, flaw. So many rhyming words we found here. Caw, law, saw, paw, jaw. Okay. So many rhyming words we can find out over here when we are using the phonic sounds. Now let us see the phonic sound, that is OT, ought, COT, caught, DOT, dot, LOT, lot, GOT, got, PLOT, plot, JOT, jot, NOT, not, ROT, rot, and HOT, hot. So these are the rhyming words we can make with the help of the phonic sounds. Now one more, IP, ip. So if I add H in that, it becomes HIP, hip, LIP, lip, DIP, dip, SLIP, slip, CLIP, clip, DRIP, drip, FLIP, flip, SIP, sip, TRIP, trip, when you trip and fall on or when you go for a trip, HIP, hip, right? So with the help of this phonic sounds, we can make so many rhyming words. You can try making these words at home. You can use so many different sounds like EN, HEN, hen, PEN, pen, TEN, ten, right? So like that, so many rhyming words you can make when you use the combination of different phonic sounds. So rhyming words, when we say, it's a very vast concept, and there are so many methods in which we can make the rhyming words. Like for example, if I tell you to find the rhyming words with the help of, I'll tell you the name of an animal, you're going to tell me a food item that rhymes with that animal. Ready for that? We will try that. Okay. Now, for example, parrot. Can anyone tell me the rhyming word for a parrot? It has to be a food item. It has to be a food item. Correct. Parrot, carrot. One more. Okay. Let us take the animal snake. Anyone has a rhyming word for snake? Any food item. Any food item. Yes, just now I told you, na, Mama used to bake. So the rhyming word for snake is cake. One more. Let us take the rhyming word, find the rhyming word for the animal ape. What is the rhyming word for ape? Any food item, any food item? Correct. It is grape. So isn't it a fun way to learn the rhyming words? Right? So we can find the rhyming words with so many things which are around us. And we can find out these words in our day-to-day life things as well as the animals, birds, food items, so many words which are rhyming. Now let us learn a little more about the rhyming words with the help of a small presentation which I'm going to show you now. We are going to learn a few exercises we are going to do, and I will see how much of rhyming words you all have understood. Then finally we are going to have a small game of rhyming words. We all love to play games, no? Correct? And then in the end I'm going to take you for a visit. Now, where I'm going to take you for a visit is a surprise. So everyone look into the screen with hands folded. Yes. And concentrate on the presentation. See carefully. Can we start the presentation? Now, what are rhyming words? As teacher told in the beginning, rhyming words are two or more words that don't start with the same sound, but they end with the same sound. They do not start with the same sound, they end with the same sound. For example, bat and bee. They start with the same sound, b, b. But are they rhyming words? No. But what is the rhyming word for bat? B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat. So cat will be the rhyming word for it. So the rhyming words are the words that don't start with the same sound, but they end with the same sound. Next. Now, words rhyme, they have the same sound at the end. For example, the weather. As I said, they do not begin with the same sound. Feather begins with F and weather begins with W. But they end with the same sound. So the rhyming word for feather is weather. Next. Let us look at the next rhyming word. Here are two examples of rhyming words. Bat, cat, rat, tail, pale, sail, sound, round, bound, hand, and sand, dream, cream, stream. You can see that you can find more set of words in this. But I have taken only 3 examples and you can so many more words which are ending with the same sound. Like in cat, cat, rat. If we can play a game, you can play a game at home at your birthday party. That we are going to give 3 words, and the person gives the 4th rhyming word, and even the winner. For example, you can say cat, Attract. The answer has to be sack or hat. Then that person gets a prize because there are so many rhyming words around us. In this way, we can learn also and we can have fun also. These are just few examples of rhyming words. Next. Let's see a few words rhyme. We have seen so many words, we have heard about so many words that time. Let us see vividly the screen with the pictures. The some words that rhyme. For example, ice, rice, ice, rice. Rhyming word. Next, time, line, time, line. Rhyme words. Next, this is very important nowadays. We all need this. Dove, glove. So we wearing hand protection. Dove, glove. Next, is also very important nowadays. Rhyme word for mask is flask. Mask, flask. Mask, flask. These are another set of rhyming words. Next, bridge, fridge. Very interesting. No? So many things we can see around us and we can find rhyming words to them. So the rhyming word bridge is fridge. Next, king, wing. Rhyming word king is wing. King, wing. King, wing. Starting with different sounds, different alphabets, ending with the same sound. Let us the next rhyming word. It, skate. Eight, skate. See, they are having completely different words, different alphabets in center, but they end with the same sound. That is A, skate. Let us see the next word. Jump. You all like to do now? When you are in the class, we all miss that. Correct? Jump, dump. You know, this is a place where the garbage, wherever you dump a particular thing, put all the things together, that's known as dumping. Now, what you see on the screen is dumping the garbage. Okay, so jump, dump. Let us see the next word. House, mouse. House, mouse. Next word. Flower, flower, flower. Yes, the next rhyming word for flower is the tower. Flower, tower. Let's see the next word. bread, head, bread, head. These are another set of rhymings. Let us see the next word. This way, you can see that there are so many words around you which rhyme. You just have to look around and find out which word rhymes with which word. Right? Tire, fire. Starting with different sound and with the same sound. Tire, fire. Let us another rhyming word. Right. Now we have to revise what we have learned. Now teacher is going to show certain sentences on screen and you are going to have options and you have to find out of the two rhyming words which word is suitable for that particular sentence. Ready everyone? So let's begin. Now first we will revise what is rhyming words. Words that rhyme may be spelled same except the first letter or two. For example, bat, hat, cat. So here the ending sound is at, but the beginning sound is different. So these words are called as rhyming words. There is one more set of words which are called rhyming. Let us see what those words. Next. Now words that rhyme may be spelled differently. Like hair, chair, bear. You can see hair is having the spelling of H-A-R-E, whereas chair is H-I-R, whereas bear is B-E-A-R. So the spelling is very much different. It's not like man and tan, but still because they sound the same, they have same sound at the end. Even these words are called as rhyming words, right? Now let us see the next word. Let's see the next exercise. We had fill in the blanks in that particular slide. Now, I've got another way of revising these rhyming words for you in the form of a flower, right? So in this flower also, we are having set of rhyming words. You have to look carefully and we are going to read one rhyming word at a time. Ready everyone? So let us begin with a rhyme word flower. The first word we are going to, the rhyming word we are going to read is book. Book, took, look. Next, tail, pale, sail. That is the next set of rhyming words. Wake, W-A-K-E, wake. M-A-K-E, make. L-A-K-E, lick. Wake, make, lake. S-I-N-G, sing. R-I-N-G, ring. K-I-N-G, king. Sing, ring, king. Let us stir flour. Keep on rotating that. G-O-O, good. F-O-O-D, food. W-O-O-D, wood. So good, food, wood. These are in a set of rhyming words. W-H-I-T-E, white. M-I-G-H-T, might. S-I-G-H-T, sight. White, might, sight. White, might, sight. B-E-S-T, best. N-E-S-T, nest. R-E-S-T, rest. So best, best, rest. Okay, another set of rhyming words. P-A-I-N, pain. M-A-I-N, main. L-A L-A-N-E, lane. So pain, main, lane. Right? And we have again come to book. So this is a flower of rhyming words. You can make a similar flower using a different set of rhyming words. Right? So we can make this in a and it is going to be a very interesting and fun thing to learn rhyming words. As I said, we have to find the rhyming words around us, and if you arrange it in this way, and we can have a lot of information, you can learn a lot of rhyming words, an entire set of rhyming words with the help of this activity. Right? Now, as I told you, there was a fill in the blank in that particular PPT which you could not see maybe for some reason, but let us revise it orally. For example, teacher has given you a sentence: Humpty Dumpty sat on a dash, and the options given are tall and wall. Tall and wall. So what will be the correct answer, kids? Correct. So Humpty Dumpty sat on a dash. Wall, tall. So we all know this nursery rhyme. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall is the correct answer. Very good. I knew my children are very smart. Let us look at the second sentence. Mother gave me a dash. The options are hug, bug. Will mama give you a bug? No. What does mama always give you? Mama gives you a hug. So the correct answer is mother gave me a hug. Now let us look at the third sentence. Teacher asked us to open our dash. The options are two rhyming words again. Cook, book. So teacher asked us to open our, will the teacher ask us to open our cook? Doesn't it sound correct? No. So teacher asked us to open our book. Teacher asked us to open our book. Book will be the right answer. Now, fourth sentence. We must dash garbage in the dustbin. What should we do? We must throw the garbage. We must throw the garbage in the dustbin. A very good habit which teacher always teaches in the class. Correct? That you should not throw the pencil shavings. Where are you supposed to throw it? In the dustbin. So we must throw, throw garbage in the dustbin. Now let us look at fifth sentence. We friends had a lot of dash. The options given are bun or fun. What do friends have together whenever you are with your friends? Correct. The friends, when they are together, have a lot of F-U-N, fun. So, what is this exercise a fun exercise? Yes. So, like that, only exercises you are going to get for full. Yes. This is a rhyming words garden. Can you see this beautiful garden of rhyming words? Yes? Isn't it pretty? It has got so many beautiful butterflies in it. Right? So this is a beautiful butterfly garden of rhyming words. What we have to do? We have to find out what rhyming word or which rhyming word each butterfly is carrying. Ready, everyone? We are going to see which beautiful butterfly is carrying which rhyming word. So let us begin with this word. S-O-U-N-D, sound. R-O-U-N-D, round. Let us see what this small cute butterfly has. W-E-T, wet. L-E-T, let. M-I-G-H-T, might. I-G-H-T, right. This yellow butterfly, yes, it has got a very glowing word. S-L-O-W, slow. G-L-O-W, glow. And you have got one more cute small butterfly here. P-A-Y, pay. D-A-Y, day. H-A-N-D, hand. S-A-N-D, sand. D-R-E-A-M, dream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. L-O-C-K, lock. R-O-C-K, rock. W-A-K-E, wake. L-A-K-E, lake. And let us see what the last butterfly has. Correct. It is M-O-O-N, moon, and N-O-O-N, noon. So isn't this a beautiful butterfly garden, children? Right? Now, the butterflies are not only very pretty, but they are also carrying a very beautiful set of rhyming words for you. So this was a visit because we are at home now. We are not supposed to go out. So I cannot take you out in a proper or actual butterfly garden. But yes, at home, we can always visit this butterfly garden, which has got a beauty as well as information for us, right? And when this entire pandemic situation is over, then we all can go and visit a real garden as well, right? So what we learned today, we have learned about the rhyming words. We learned the rhyming words with the help of different activities. We did various with the help of different aids which we have made with the help of different types of games. Like we learned it with the help of a flower, we learned it with the help of this your little small and fish, and also your butterfly taught you this, right? So these are rhyming words, and I told you that you're going to take help of your mom, and all are going to have this fun activity at home. Mama is working or papa is working, you are not going to trouble them. But yes, you can always look around them, and you're going to have that fun activity like I used to have with my mom of finding rhyming words. Okay, so this is what we have got about rhyming words. So we are done for the day, children, and see you all in the next session. Bye, everyone.